I've been off my bike now for over 4 weeks due to what I'm calling a NBRI, which is a non-bike related injury. I managed to crack my rib when I was at home. Now the injury was caused by coming together of a tennis ball, the dog and Guinness, and they conspired against me to me ending up with a cracked rib. It's so nice to be back out on the bike today. I'm only going for a short spin just to test things out. It's the evening, sun is on its way down, so I'm not going to push myself too hard. It's only about 5:30 and it's already getting dark. This will be the last chance to cycle after work without needing night lights. Great being back on the bike. Ribs are feeling pretty good. A little sore, but nothing too bad. Hurts getting on and off the bike more than pedalling, to be honest. I'm just going to keep this ride real short. This is just a video just celebrating the fact that I'm back on my bike and I'm feeling pretty good about it. I haven't got night lights. I've got a rear light, but I should head back. I don't want to overdo it. Come the weekend, I think I'll be ready.